How to show or hide public holidays in calendars on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. So on the home screen or in the app screen, open up the calendar app, then tap on the menu button. In here, make sure you add in Google Calendars. It has a function of public holidays. So once you have added Google Calendar, go down and tap on holidays in your region. So if your account is in US, it will show holidays in US. So tap on the checkbox to hide, or tap on the checkbox to show the holidays in your country. Here, if you don't have Google account, you can go here, tap on manage calendars, and then tap on the menu at the top and tap on add account. And here you can add in your Google Calendar to your calendar account. And that's it. So that's how you can show or hide calendars on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Thank you for watching this video.